And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Welcome back, and everyone. We are seeing the clouds starting to clear out now into Louisiana and Arkansas. We're left with mostly sunny skies across the area, but it is cold out there. Even with the sunshine, temperatures right now are sitting out in the middle 30s for the most part, with a few low 40s out in deep East Texas. It's 43 in Lufkin. Hemphill is still hanging on to the 50s right now, but that's likely not going to last here as this cold air continues to move into East Texas. We're just 2 degrees above freezing in places like Mineola and Sulphur Springs. Now, the wind is making things feel even colder out there, so when we factor in the wind chill by 2 p.m., we're going to see those wind chill values in the middle and upper 30s out there. So it's going to feel cold throughout the entire day today. Certainly a big difference in what we saw yesterday when we were looking at those temperatures in the 70s. None of that for our day today. We are going to warm up a little bit for Saturday, but what's really going to happen next week is we have to look at these morning lows, because it's going to get very cold heading into next week. Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, we'll see those temperatures likely drop down to the low to mid 10s. It will also be windy on Tuesday morning, which means the wind chill could be below 0 in a couple of spots, especially north of Interstate 20. So it's going to get very cold. Some of the coldest air since December of 2022, when we dropped down to 10 degrees at Tyler Pounds right before Christmas of that year. It will probably be a little bit warmer than that, but still cold nonetheless. So definitely want to wear as many layers as possible if you have to head out heading into next week, or better yet, try to stay inside as much as possible as well. We will spend a lot of time below freezing as well, potentially starting as early as Saturday night for the Interstate 30 area. So that includes Mount Pleasant and Sulphur Springs. We could see our longest consecutive period of below freezing temperatures over 80 hours there, starting Saturday night rather, and lasting all the way through Wednesday afternoon. Now, it is possible we do warm above freezing briefly along Interstate 30 on Sunday afternoon. If that's the case, that will kind of shorten this time frame of 87 hours, but that's something we'll have to wait for by the time we get to Sunday. Traveling farther south, Tyler, Longview, and Athens will spend about 60 hours or so below freezing starting Sunday night and lasting through Wednesday late morning. And then down towards Nacogdoches, Henderson, Lufkin, and Crockett, you'll spend about 58 hours consecutively below freezing, again starting Sunday night and lasting through Wednesday. And then in far southern deep East Texas, including Hemphill, San Augustine, Zavala, down to Groveton, we'll spend about 55 hours below freezing, although it is possible that we do climb above freezing in places like Hemphill by Tuesday afternoon. For the most part, we'll have to wait until Wednesday afternoon to see those temperatures rise above freezing. So not nearly as long as the February 2021 freeze. We saw over 100 hours, almost 200 hours in some places below freezing, so it won't be anything close to that, but it will be more comparable to what we did see in December of 2022, which was about 48 to 72 hours of temperatures below freezing. Before today, the storms have left the area. It's much colder out there, though. In its wake, temperatures only rebound to the middle and upper 40s this afternoon. And again, when you factor in the wind, it's only going to feel like it's in the 30s. And then for tonight, we'll drop down to about 30 degrees or so with a few upper 20s. We'll see mostly clear skies overnight with a southwest wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we are going to see temperatures warm up a little bit for Saturday. So Saturday, the last day where you can really get your maybe grocery shopping done, things like that, any outdoor yard work and things like that, because it's going to turn a lot colder starting on Sunday. That's when we also see that potential for a wintry mix of sleet and freezing rain and even some snowflakes as well, especially towards Interstate 30. On MLK Day, we're going to see temperatures only climb to the mid-20s. We'll have a wintry mix throughout most of the day. Most of the activity will be light, but it still could cause some problems on bridges and overpasses in particular. So take it slow if you have to travel next week, on Monday in particular, but if you don't have to travel, then just stay inside. We're going to see a hard freeze Tuesday morning, and then on Wednesday we finally warm above freezing area wide. For deep East Texas, we have more of the same. Look for those temperatures to drop well below freezing starting Monday and lasting through at least Wednesday morning.